Trigokunari! Hello people, how are you doing? Let's continue with the game. Here we have what I did last week. This one I will start by doing a new enemy of the start, and also to the Clean Air, a diesel car that moves around the city. We saw in the past videos how useful is guides when you draw, so let's put it. This car will have wheels, windshield, doors. Let's start over again. I doubt anybody would buy a car like this one. Again, here we have the wheels, windshield, no doors, and the back. As you can see, I used the guides a lot when I was drawing okay, I didn't use it at all. Let's paint the car. For changing the color of the car and have more variety, I will modify the hue. Thanks guys, you helped me a lot. Here we have the car and here it is in the game. This kid's so annoying, killing me all the time. Let's add a collision to the car and move the initial position, so I don't have to deal with these kids anymore. Where is my mouse? And why these kids are still here? I see, every time I reset the game, puts my mouse outside the window. Now the star doesn't appear. Oops, now an error. Now I don't see the star again. I will not bore you anymore, but this error chain continues for more than 1 hour. After losing my patience and rewriting the code several times, finally it works. To add more danger in the streets, some cars will move through the road. I will create a raycast, and when the player touches it, a car will appear. What is the raycast? It disappears? Ah no, it's hidden behind this line. Let's write some code, add the raycast to the level test, and try it out. The star is going to touch the raycast, and it crashes. Let's not despair. I have forgotten to put dot position in the initial position. This message below can help me with another error, but I have decided to ignore it. Error again. I solve what the message says and it doesn't crash, but also the car doesn't appear. One more zero to the velocity. Watch out, Schumacher! Cars cannot go that fast in the city! So the problem is that the car appears far away from the position I want, and also with the opposite sign. It has to be negative, not positive. Look, the position of the raycast in the level is minus 3896. I invoke the car at the same position, but appears in plus 3896. I don't understand. Then let's change the sign of the variable, and nothing happens. Okay, instead of changing the global position, I will change the position, only for trying. I doubt it will work. Well, I was wrong. It works, but no idea why. And here we have the result. Now that I have the car working, I can copy-paste and do all the directions, changing a little bit of code. And here we have it. Another enemy is on its way. This time a kid turning so fast that seems a whirlpool. Let's draw it with my unique abilities. And here it is. The size in the game is also good. I will use this sprite for 2 different types of enemies. Why there are errors that appear below randomly without playing the game? Anyways, the first enemy, a whirlpool that follows a path and loops it all the time. Let's create the loop path and save it in the folder, I don't know where to put it, new folder, other. It's not professional at all, but I didn't know where to put it. More random errors? What's happening here? I don't know. Let's do a path at the whirlpool and try it out. It's not moving, and it's rotated a little bit. After searching a little bit, I see the error. I forgot to write already in a variable. Now it works, but is still rotated. Rotation solved. An enemy done. If I want the enemy to follow another path, I just need to modify the path in the level, and that's all. It works perfectly. The second enemy will be a kid whirlpool that charges against you like a ram. When you enter the detection area, instead of following you all the way, it charges to the position that you enter. Let's try it out. Amazing! It worked the first time! No errors or strange behaviors! Here we have all the work done so far. I will modify the velocities and movements of everything in the future, when the city level is finally done. Now the important thing is that everything runs good, and there are minimal errors. See you next time!